Groups of essential workers in western Wisconsin are getting ready for the possibility to roll up their sleeves.
News 8 Now's Isabella Hulsizer spoke to some of the groups that may be eligible for the next phase of vaccine rollouts and how they feel about getting it when their time comes.
Positivity is in the air.
It's really refreshing, really exciting for our bus operators.
The teachers I talk to are all like, yeah, give me the vaccine.
I think everyone's very excited about it.
Teachers, transportation, and grocery store workers are a few of the groups that are being considered for the second tier of vaccinations for COVID-19 by state officials. And the list goes on. Officials say during the pandemic, workers at these businesses have interacted with the general public enough to be considered essential.
Our bus operators who have been out there from day one and have not missed a day with service, they're transporting people every day to medical appointments or to groceries or to those essential needs. So to consider bus operators essential worker, I think is pretty evident with the work they've done.
He says even after limiting rides,
we still saw over 500,000 riders this year.
Another industry being considered, the grocery store.
There's so much potential to spread the virus, and we do our best to distance, but at busy times there's people really in close proximity to each other. And
he says when it's time to roll up his sleeve,
I'll be the first one in line. You bet.
Educators and teaching staff are also on the list to be considered in the next tier, leaving some teachers hopeful.
So it's bittersweet, and teachers want to get back in the classroom. We want to see our kids, the kids want to get back, but we just want to do it safely.
The Department of Health Services subcommittee tasked with making the recommendations is now waiting on state approval.
Fingers crossed, knock on wood, that this is coming soon.
But I know there's going to be a big sense of relief once we just start getting vaccinated as well.
We're ready and patiently waiting for those emails and phone calls to come through.
All three agreed that once these workers are approved for the vaccine, they'll feel a little more at ease. In La Crosse, Isabella Hulsizer, News 8 Now.
Well, at this point, according to the DHS website, 56,680 people have received both doses of the vaccine in Wisconsin. That's only about 1% of the population.
But if the subcommittee's recommendations stand and there is enough vaccine, Phase 1B and the current Phase 1A would make up about 45% of the state's adult population.